Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transcribe audio to. Whether it's in English or any of the 130 plus languages supported, this method is quick, easy, and completely free. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Podcastle on Google. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the Podcastle website, go ahead and click on Sign Up button on the top right. The process is quick, and the best part, it's free. If you want to use this amazing website, the link is in the description. You can check the website if you want. I am signing in with Google account. You can sign in with Apple or Facebook if you want. Then click on Skip for now. Now enter your name. After this, you have to select for what purpose you are using this website. Then after this, what are you planning to do with it? We are going to use it for transcription. Then enter other informations and then click on Continue. Now that you're signed in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. To start transcribing, click on the transcription option. Next, upload the audio file that you want to transcribe. Once the file is uploaded, make sure to select the correct language, in this case, English. After that, simply click Transcribe. If you want to use this amazing website, the link is in the description. You can check the website if you want. And that's how you transcribe audio to text. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or need help with another tool, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.